Welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm going to do a very quick video on a follow-up to the Marmalade shredder that I refurbished a little while ago. Obviously I gave that away as a present, so what we have to do is go out on location to where the present is and have a quick demonstration. So let's go. Okay, hello. Here I am on location in Sheila's kitchen. This is Sheila. Say hello, Sheila.
Hello.
And Sheila, it's my mother-in-law. And I refurbished this, which was the Fellow and Ball marmalade slicer a few weeks ago. And she's now had some lessons from her friend Wendy. Hello, Wendy. And what we're going to do now is do a quick demonstration on how we actually make marmalade shreddings ready for marmalade. So what we're going to do is just going to quickly set this up, and then Sheila is going to show you how to do it.
I haven't got it on straight anyway. Yeah, that should be right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just orange preparation.
Like you've
Well,
got,
you've
got to cut the orange that way so that it comes out looking like that.
Perfect. Excellent.
Then you squeeze the juice out.
Well, all of the juice, or just as much as you can?
Well, as much as you can. And then you leave it like that.
Okay.
Right.
It could be like that.
Yeah, it could be. I'll give it a go.
Yeah, give it a go, see what happens.
Yeah.
And then literally you just hang on. Right, okay. And you literally...
Oh, it's coming out. Oh, look, Frank.
Ooh. You're just keeping a steady pressure on.
Yeah.
Just move it backwards and forwards.
Well, I'm going to have muscles like Popeye.
Seems quite wet. Is it supposed to be that wet?
Yeah, well, because you've got the juice coming, but that's fine. That's fine because it all goes in the pot.
Okay. So, is that one enough for a jar of marmalade, or is that...
Well, basically what you have to do is, whatever the recipe says, however many oranges, so you do it, you have to do the whole lot and it all goes in.
Right.
If you don't want that much peel in your marmalade, then you have a muslin bag that all these bits go in, all the pips go in. The juice has to go in with that in the end.
Oh, right, okay.
But actually you dilute that with water first. But no, that's come out all right, hasn't it?
All right.
Oh, I'm pleased with that. Now, yeah, I think there is a bit...
Yeah, there's a little bit left up there. Can we see that? Yeah, there's a little bit of orange left up there.
Yeah, so you have to...
Okay.
Now, I don't know how she got that out. I think hers got a shorter bit.
Oh, right. I should imagine getting it out of a knife is probably possible.
Yeah. Oh, here we are. And she said, then what you do, bits that are left over like that, then you can just trim with a sharp knife. And that can all go in there.
Oh, yeah.
But any bits like that you save because it all has to go in the muslin bag because of the pectin.
Rightio.
So,
oh, yeah. So,
oh, no, that's...
look at that. So you're happy with that?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Excellent. Right, okay, so that was a quick demonstration on how to make some shredding for marmalade. Obviously it makes a bit of a mess. But apparently you can, how do you do it? You just...
Wash it, just wash it in
just
ordinary,
washing.
yeah, washing up liquid and... rinse it well.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's
and
quite...
actually Wendy does hers, she wraps it in an old tea towel.
Right, okay, to protect it.
Yeah,
So, that's it. That's your little demonstration. And I think Sheila's just got something she'd like to say.
A big shout out for Jack.
Excellent. Right, join me for the next video, and hopefully we'll be doing something else quite interesting.
Might see some jars of marmalade.
Might see some jars of marmalade. Right, thank you very much. Bye. So I think that's it for the demonstration. I think Sheila's just got something she wants to say. Big shout out.
A big shout out. I think the glasses are dirty to start with.
Right. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just screws to the side.
That's not right. What isn't it going on?
I'll try there. That's it. Right.
I've got a face like a turkey cock.
You do know I'm still videoing.
Oh God.